This is Suresh, you're watching Tinguri YouTube channel. In this video, I'm introducing my friend Manish Kar from Odisha. Hi Manish, how are
Hi,
you?
bro.
Let me introduce
I'm
yourself to our viewers.
So I'm Manish Ka. Basically, I belong from Odisha. Odisha is a state which is situated in the east coast, and nobody literally knows about it, but it is a
Yeah.
very good place.
Above Andhra Pradesh,
Yeah, above Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam.
Yeah, we have the port called Paradip and all. You
Paradip?
must be knowing.
You
Yeah.
visited Paradip?
Obviously.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good Manish Kar.
Yeah.
How you know about this field, Merchant Navy?
Much anyway. Like in my childhood, just in front of my house,
Okay.
there was a house like bungalow kind of house.
Oh, Bangla.
And he was a captain. His name was Trilochan Das.
Okay. You inspired from him.
Yeah, he made a house like luxurious house.
Yeah.
He had Mercedes in his house and all. Right now he's sold his house and he shifted to Mumbai itself.
Okay.
So I got inspired by him. Like from childhood, I wanted a good life, good money. Obviously, everyone wants that.
Everyone.
So from that only I got inspired and I got a research. I wanted to do DNS
DNS.
in 12th,
Yeah,
but due to
okay.
my PCM and all, I
Came
couldn't
in
do it.
Okay.
So I did my engineering
Hmm.
in 2016.
Yeah.
So I completed in 2021. Due to some issues, I got 1 year delay.
Okay.
So after that, I came to know about Great Eastern, about the facilities, about the sponsorship and all.
Yeah, 100%.
100% sponsorship.
Yeah.
Then I came into this field. Like
Good.
right now, I'm sitting with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. And one more thing.
Yeah.
Better than captain. It's
Yeah.
we feel na ETV electric it's
Yeah.
very bad. No? Within 10 years.
Yeah.
Kenyan. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Tell me about your area. Anything special?
Okay. So if you
Which
see,
what is you said? What is the only particular place? Where you?
okay, I am from Cuttack.
Kadak.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know Baravati Stadium? You must not be knowing.
yeah.
Cricket fans know about it.
Okay.
Like
Which
Baravati-
stadium?
Baravati Stadium.
Baravati Stadium.
Yeah.
Okay.
So international matches
Hmm.
happen over there, no problem. Like you can see international matches, IPL and all. So that is a cool place. Like the city, that is a city which is
Like
covered.
Woody? You
No,
know?
not exactly Ooty, because Ooty is in mountains.
Yeah.
But Odisha is a like plateau,
Okay.
and in Odisha, Cuttack is in plateau. Like
Hmm.
Cuttack is basically an island.
Hmm.
It is covered by two seas.
Two seas?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
One is Mahanadi and another is Kathajodi.
Kathajodi.
Yeah. Both of the rivers cover the place. Like it is an island.
Hmm.
It has 5 bridges outside
Okay.
to connect to the rest of the world, obviously.
Okay.
So it is a very good place, like to chill. Like if you want to sit in a quiet place,
Hmm.
you can sit anywhere. It has a ring road, like it has a circle. You can chill over anywhere. Like it is
Like
a good,
island.
like island.
Yeah,
Yeah.
excellent.
You go to any corner, you will find a
Hmm.
seaside.
Okay. You live in Paradip? Kadak, you live in Paradip.
So Paradip is a different side, and Cuttack is a different side.
How
like,
many kilometers?
Almost 60 to 70 kilometers.
Oh,
Yeah.
good.
But
good.
Cuttack is called the Silver City
Hmm.
because it has a history. Like if you go to past 100 years,
History.
yeah, history.
Okay.
So Britishers used to rule over there.
Hmm.
Okay, so that is a famous place if you see.
Okay. And I want to know about any special food in your area.
See, Rasgulla.
Rasagulla.
Rasgulla. Everyone
Okay.
says that it is famous in Bengal and all.
Yeah, I
But-
know Rasagulla. It's
Yeah.
made from in.
But
Odisha.
the genuine fact is, Rasgulla was
made.
brought up from Odisha only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
So Rasgulla is famous. You can find water rice over there, which is very famous. Once you eat water rice,
Water rice.
yeah,
I
it
don't
is a
know.
kind of food like in rice, water, everything is mixed.
Mix.
With you can add curd and
Any
all.
time delay?
Sorry?
Time period. Some time period, na? To.
No, you just cook rice.
Okay.
Simply cook rice.
Okay.
Put it in cold water.
Hmm.
it will lose its heat and all.
Ah.
After that, use your curd and all. You can eat after that.
Okay.
It's very tasty.
Okay.
One of my favorite foods, all the time.
Water rice.
Yeah, water rice.
Good.
I'll make you eat someday. Come to my place.
Sure. And one more thing I would like to ask.
Yeah.
I heard about you are working in Byju's.
Yeah, I worked. I worked for 6
Which
months.
Which field? AD or the BD?
It was BDA. It
BDA,
was
okay.
Business Development Associate.
Oh,
And that was a sales post basically.
that's okay.
I was struggling that time, so I had to do something for my earning purpose.
Yeah, good. And tell me one more thing.
Yeah.
From your language.
What do you want to listen?
Namaskar.
Namaskar is very popular.
Enter India.
Namaskar.
Okay, anything you want.
One India.
One India Namaskar.
Yeah.
Anything.
Anything like if I want to say to your subscribers, okay, how are you? ଆପଣ ମାନେ କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି? Okay. Sounds very sweet.
Yeah,
ଆପଣ
sure.
ମାନେ କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି?
Yeah.
ଆଉ କଣ ଖବର ଭାଇ ମାନେ? ସବୁ ଭଲ ଠିକ ଠାକ.
Big time.
It's a very cool language if you see.
And one more.
What do you want to listen like? Say me a proper word, I'll translate it.
This. What you?
Anything you
Anything. Okay. It's a wonderful day.
ଆଜି ଦିନ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଥିଲା.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖା କରିକି ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ମୋତେ.
How to learn?
Sorry?
How to learn?
See, like, what is your language?
Telugu.
Telugu. Like I'll take time to learn Telugu. The
Yeah.
same time you will take to learn Odia.
Okay.
Yeah. But Odia is not that different from Hindi.
Okay.
They are little similar. So
Okay.
and like for learning Telugu, I have to go to different culture, like whole different tradition.
Okay.
It is a good. I have many friends from Telugu, if you see. Because
From where?
I was studying in ITR Engineering College. Okay.
Hmm.
So there I had 6 to 7 Telugu friends. All of them were awesome. Like all of them
Okay.
were very good friends of mine. Like we used to talk frequently.
Okay.
So I love their nature. Like they talk. I have made them learn Hindi and all.
Good. I'm also trying to learn Hindi.
No problem.
Yeah.
Hindi is a very simple language.
Yeah. Okay. I will try.
Yeah.
But what is your future goal?
See like in Hindi it is said that it is a basically we are mariners. Okay. So it is a great ocean
Yeah.
and we have to swim very far.
Yeah.
So we can't exactly predict our future.
Good.
Today it's a new day. I'm sitting with you. Tomorrow maybe I'll be sitting with someone else. My mentality would be changing. So I am not sure what would.
Some plan there, na?
See, my plan is to just to make my parents satisfied.
Happy.
Satisfied with their life because they have done
Yeah.
many things. Like your parents must be done many things for you. Exactly the same case. So I just want to make them satisfied. That's it.
Any
That's
business
it.
plan?
No business. I just want to invest.
After eating,
I love investing.
investment.
Yeah, I love investing. I was into
Like producer.
I was into cryptocurrencies which failed.
Yeah, Bitcoin.
I got very worse condition right now. No problem.
Okay.
I invest in stocks. I know trading. That's it. I'll trade money.
Good. That's good.
I'll earn money from it. I'll trade money.
Yeah.
But for sure, I'll be a professor someday in some college. In
Professor?
in electrical background.
That's great. Simply life.
Like in 35-40 years. When all my life goals will be satisfied, after that I am looking forward to be a professor.
Okay. Good. How was your BTech life?
BTech life was like every teenager used to love to enjoy and all. I did the same. I did study much.
Okay.
That is a bad thing. You should study. You should work hard for. If you want to succeed, if you want to get something in your life, you have to work hard. It is a message to all the teenagers watching this video.
Yeah.
Like I have learned because I used to think like that. study is not necessary and all. See, to study is not to remember all things. Study is about
Don't mug it up.
don't mug it up.
Yeah.
It is just about how to improve your knowledge. That's it.
Expel your knowledge.
Yeah. Explore yourself.
yeah.
Explore your mindset. Like
Yeah.
how is your mind working? How can you take quick decisions in your life? How to be a smart leader? That's it.
Yeah. Good, good. From inter to BTech,
Yeah.
you missed something. Diversion. What is that?
Diversion, like
Education, like.
The problem was in BTech life, I was a good student till third semester.
Okay.
After that, due to some
Second year.
second year, I was a very good student in fact because I scored 72% or something in plus two. That was not so good. But after that, I used to study in BTech. Like I was very serious for my dreams and all. So in third, fourth semester, I had a breakdown,
Okay.
like personal breakdown. So after that, I tried to neglect my studies. I started doing different things which was very bad. So right now I have realized
You
I'm in a
have-
great place.
Great
We
place.
are going
great
to end our
portion.
college.
Yeah. We have to write.
Yeah. And for sure I'll be going to be selected in MSc. I am
Yeah.
no doubt.
No, definitely.
So, yeah,
MSc
I'm
was
kidding,
largest,
I'm kidding.
second largest company, na MSc in machinery.
I'm a very simple kind of personality, so I don't brag much.
But he is so intelligent. I observe him. He is a very intelligent guy. Okay, guys, if you want anything more from Manishkar,
Please comment down.
Comment
Please
below.
comment down. Please support this
And-
video because Anga Suresh, he is my one of the best friend in the college,
Thank you, thank you.
and he is a very hardworking guy and intelligent guy. I adore him a lot. So please support the video because it takes a lot of efforts to make all this for you guys.
Okay, any suggestion to our viewers?
In life, you should do whatever you wish. Whatever you wish. Like if you wish to go to a place which is beautiful and you lose something for that, you should go because you will not get the same day in your life like that.
Yeah.
So always pursue your dream and always take care of your parents. Do whatever, don't hurt your parents. That's a simple thing and God will bless you.
Yeah. Thank you, Manishkar.
Thanks.
You're valuable.
It was an awesome experience with you, bro, in the video. Thanks for the interview.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks a lot. See you.
See you. Yeah, cool.